Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change picture mode preset for Dyon Smart TV. And to do this, first we'll need to click on the home button on our remote. It's located right here. Then we can go and select the settings button on the left side. Click on OK and then scroll down for the picture. Here you can change the picture preset. By default, I think it's set to the standard like I have right here, but we can pick a different one like a dynamic, standard, movie, user or soft. If you decide to choose a user, you'll be able to manually adjust the different settings like contrast, brightness, color, sharpness and backlight. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.